Welcome to today's off-road rally. The atmosphere is absolutely electric.
Alexa.
The championship favourite is entering now. Top contender of Team JONR, the X1 Max. Countdown. 3, 2, 1. Competition begins. Clean over the rough terrain, showing excellent traction. Here comes a sharp corner. Is that a spoiler? No, right on the edge. It's a brand new design tyre.
Fastest lap so far.
Pulling into the pit now. Automatic tyre change in progress. High-temp tyres preheated and ready. That's a quick restart. Outstanding suspension tuning. Final sector now slippery and wet terrain. Perfect form.